In this video, I'll show you how to buy put options on Robinhood step by step. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure options trading is already enabled. Then tap the search icon at the top and type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade, and select it from the results. Once you're on the stocks page, tap the Trade button at the bottom right, then select Trade Options. On the options screen, tap Buy, then choose Put since you expect the price to go down. Next, pick an expiration date. This is how long your option contract will last. After that, choose a strike price, which is the price you expect the stock to fall below. You'll see a list of contracts, tap on one to continue. Now, enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Review the total cost carefully, then tap Review and swipe up or confirm to place your order. Once your order is filled, you can track it in your portfolio and sell it anytime before expiration. That's it, now you know how to buy put options on Robinhood. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.